Hello all, welcome to binaryicos.com. In this video I am going to show you how to configure the PPP with CHAP in router. PC0 IP address is 10.1.1.10 is connected to the switch connected to the router 0 with fast Ethernet 00 and the IP address is 10.1.1.1 and router 0 is connected to the router 1 with serial number 2/0 and router 1 is connected to the router 0 with serial 2/0. The IP address of router 0 is 192.168.1.1 and router 1 IP address is 192.168.1.2. Router 1 is connected to the PC1 with IP address 172.168.1.1 and the PC1 IP is 172.168.1.10. Now let's try to ping from PC0 to PC1. So open PC0, go to the command prompt and type ping 172.168.1.10 and you can see that the destination host is unreachable. So we need to configure the IP route in router 1 and router 0. Let's open router 0 CLI, go to the configuration terminal and type IP route, and the IP address is used for IP route in router 0 is this B class IP 172.16.0.0. This is B class network of PC1. Subnet mask is 255.255.0.0 and we need to set the serial port after the subnet mask. So the router 0 is connected to the router 1 with serial port 2/0. Okay, this is 2/0. So configure 2/0 and our command is perfect. Now end and write the same method using router 1. Open the CLI of router 1 and use the same method. Go to the configuration terminal, type IP route, and I am going to use this class network, class A, PC0. So IP route 10.0.0.0 255.0.0.0 and the serial port is 2/0. End and write. Now let's try again to ping from PC0 to PC1. Type ping 172.16.1.10. The first broadcast is 8 by ARP or used by ERP and our 3 packet is pinged successfully. Now let's configure PPP over CHAP on the both router. So first configure that PPP in router 1, the configuration terminal, and you need to set the username and password in router 1. So I'm going to set a username router 0 and the password is Cisco. Okay, username and password is set in router 1 or router 0, and now go to the interface serial 2/0 and use the encapsulation for our PPP protocol. Let's enter. You can see that its state changed to down because the router 1 is currently configured for PPP and router 0 is defaultly using a HDLC. Therefore the mismatches happen and our stage go to down. Now type PPP and I'm using authentication, and authentication is CHAP, Challenge-Handshake Authentication Protocol. So type CHAP and press enter. So this is all. The PPP with CHAP is set in router 1. Same configuration in router 0. So open router 0, go to the configuration terminal, set a username in router 0 for router 1 and password is Cisco. Now go to the interface serial 2/0 and encapsulation PPP point-to-point protocol, and it changed state to up because router 1 is already set PPP and we now set PPP in router 0. So it's match the protocol and stage change to up. I use PPP authentication CHAP, and this is all. So end and write. Now let's try to ping from PC0 to PC1. So the ping command is replying successfully without any restriction. Same using reverse from PC1 to PC0 in command prompt, ping 10.1.1.10, and it replying successfully without any restriction. So we set a ping PPP with CHAP in router successfully. Thanks for watching.